Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you CRUD operations in API. CRUD in the sense is create, update, delete operations. We will start with declaring Flask and then we'll move on to write APIs. I would like to work on the virtual environment. So currently I can see it's not on virtual environment. We'll enable virtual environment now. So what I'll do is I'll go to settings and I will go to project debug Python and then I'll click on Python interpreter. Here I will select an interpreter. So I'll select show all and then I'll select any other code. So coder life one I'll select here. I'll click on OK. Once I select that, the interpreter is selected. I'll click on apply and then I'll click on OK. Once I click on OK, I have to restart the local terminal. So once I do, I can see the virtual environment selected. So I'll check here if Flask is installed. So to do that, we'll write pip freeze once we hit enter or return, we can see there are no packages installed. So we will quickly install pip install Flask. So you can see Flask is getting installed. Once the Flask is installed, we will again run pip freeze to check if Flask has been installed properly. So I can see Flask 2.1.1 has been installed properly. We will import Flask now and then we will start the Flask app. So to import Flask, we will write from Flask import Flask and then we will create an app is equal to Flask and then we will pass the name window internally name and we will write the main statement here name is equal to main and we will write app.run. We'll define a default root app.roots and in that we will mention slash as the default root. Definition of root route, mention root route and we will return a string called Flask app running. We'll save it and pip8 is asking for a space, so we'll give that space and then we'll run this. So we have to edit the configuration here. We will run with app API CRUD operations. We'll click on apply and then we'll click on OK. Once we do that and run the app, we can see the Flask app is running. If we click on this, so it will open and the Flask app is running. So our Flask app is currently running. We will go back to the code. Now we will define post and get. So to define post and get, we have to make modifications into our app root. So quickly I will do those modifications. @app dot root, and then we will mention that slash get API, and we'll give a comma method equal to, we'll give it as get method, and then we'll give def get method, and we will just return get API running. Okay, simple. We'll stop the server and then we'll start the server again, right? We do quickly, we get this options. So it should be methods here, and we'll run this again. Once we run, we'll make this change. So it's saying here to put this square braces. We can just run this. So now server is running. We'll go to the server. We will call slash get API. You can see get API is running. Now we will write a post API. We will go back to the main screen here, and we will define another root, app.root. Then we will mention a root inside slash post API, and then we will call methods is equal to square braces, and then we will post it. Okay, def post method, and we will return post API. Quickly save it and rerun the stop and rerun, so you can see the app is running, and we'll get the get API quickly. Get API is running. So for post API, we need to call the API via a tool called Postman, and we have to call it like this: localhost 5000 / post API, and then we'll just go to post. We'll see the code once. Post underscore API is the root. We'll go to this post underscore API, and then we have changed the method to post. To change any of the method, we can use this. So we'll call it as a post API. We'll send this, and we can see the post API is running. If we call the post API using a browser, we'll get an error: method not allowed. If we go to the server, we can see the error here. So we get post API, get is not supported, so we are getting method not allowed HTTP error, that is 405. We'll stop the server and we'll write a delete API. So let's do that. We'll quickly copy paste this whole thing. I'll change this to put. This method will change it to put, and here also we'll make this change, copy paste it, and then we'll run the server. Okay, so the name of the function, if the name of the function is same, then we'll get this assertion error. The view function mapping is overwriting an existing endpoint post method. So we'll change the method name also, put, and we'll save it. Once we save and we rerun the server, so the server starts up. Put API also has to be run via Postman. So we'll quickly see. We'll go to put API, method not allowed. So we'll copy this. We'll go to Postman. We'll open Postman. We'll paste the Postman URL, and then we'll send. So here we have not changed the method here. We'll quickly change the method and we'll call the server. So you can see put API message has come up. Right? For delete, similarly for delete API also, we need to do the same. We will just go back to that Pycharm and we'll copy this up, paste it, delete API, delete. Here we'll put it as delete, and then we will call the method function delete. Yeah, delete. I'll save it. We'll give a space for pip8, and then we will rerun the server. Once we rerun the server starts up. So delete API has also to be run via Postman. I'll just see delete API. This method not allowed. We'll copy paste this. Paste it instead of this URL. We have to change the method name quickly. And then we'll send it. Delete API is running. That's it for today's video. Thank you. If you do like the content that I'm showing you, please do consider subscribing to my channel.